Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this little bad boy, and this is from Vitopal and it's the VM-i2. Now I believe there's also one called the i1, which is the same microphone but you don't get the actual bundle. I will put links down below anyway if you're actually going to check this out, and it just says it's for a smartphone. Now I've not got it for a smartphone, I've got it to do this kind of audio, just to see if there's any real difference with regards to having one facing towards my mouth against one like a lapel mic, which I'm currently using. So as a quick example, I'll just get my microphone I'm actually using right now. And there's this little bad boy that actually just hooks on my t-shirt. So I can have it anywhere I want, carry and walk around. It's all wireless, makes it very convenient. Now I've only been using this one for probably 2 videos. And I figured I want to get something else just to, again, trial. And this one comes into the actual mix. And again, you've probably seen very similar ones like the Rode Video mic, I think it's called. Very similar as this one from what I can see, but it's a little bit cheaper. Anyway, let's see what we get on the back of the box. As you see here, we do get the microphone, the flexible smartphone clamp, a tripod, little cable for your smartphone, your wind muff, and the little case. So let's open up, shall we? And I thought it was a pretty cool little set. Again, it all comes in this nice little case like that. So it's super convenient if you just want to pack it all up so you don't lose anything. Makes it nice and easy, right? Yeah. So again, it's not like the most quality box in the world, but it's nice and simple, job done. So let's have a quick look inside here, shall we? Now I've actually not used the microphone. I've had a look at it to actually see how it feels, but I've not actually used it at all yet. So here all of it is. So this is the smartphone clamp. And also we also get a little tripod as well. We'll also then get the little shock mount, I think it is. So it kind of moves around like that. Show you that in a second or two. And what it doesn't show in the back of the box is, I think it does, shows you that you do actually get one for your smartphone. But inside this box, I also get one for the camera. So I'm going to use this one in today's video to actually do the video test, or the audio test should I say. You get the actual microphone kit, just telling you what it's all about, how to connect it. It's not very hard, so don't worry about that one. And then the star of the show. Tell you what, let's just stick that off to the side over there, shall we? And here is the microphone itself. And voila. As you can see on here, made in China. And it is the Vitopal. And again, it's called the VM-i2. But from what I did and what I found out, it's the exact same microphone as the version 1. Again, it's just kind of rebundled for this new packet. So yeah, there is that. Also, there's the actual little foam to go over the front of it. It's obviously looks nice and neat on there as well. There we go. Looks pretty duty. Okay, so let's have a quick look inside here. We also get what's called a dead cat, which kind of muffles it around. And what you do is you actually just get your microphone, you can see here, shove the microphone inside it. So make it easy, sure it's in there nice and tight. There we go. So when you're outside, if there's a lot of wind around, this generally, or it should, take a lot of that wind noise away, so you don't get that kind of blowing into a microphone, that really annoying noise. This should help actually alleviate that. This should actually help get rid of them noises. So this should actually help get rid of those. So let's just take the dead cat off. Again, I probably won't be testing that in this video because I've got no real use for it for myself. But yeah, you get it inside the actual packet if you're interested in that. So let's just bring this back in here. So what you do is with this goes onto your top of your camera. So it's got like the little cold shoe mount there. So you slide it in. And then what you do is you have your actual microphone just clamp into it like that. So what it does, if there's any kind of vibrations, etc., it should help actually get rid of some of those vibrations. As you can see there, happy days. And again, you can actually put your little on there as well, and you'll speak into it like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually just going to hook up to my camera, and we're going to do a quick test to see how it does sound. And here it is. Here is actual test of the Vitopal. Again, I've not made any modifications to this. This is literally how it comes straight out of the box. And I've made no modifications to my normal audio on my camera. So we'll see if it's nice and loud, if it's nice and clear, or if it's overpowered or not. Looking at my levels, it looks like it's a little bit more powerful than the wireless one, which is kind of to be expected, I suppose. But yeah, this is the Vitopal. What do you reckon? Does it sound good? Does it sound bad? Let me know in a comment down below. Alright, and that's it. That's my quick video. I say quick, it probably took longer than expected, of the brand new, of the Vitopal VM-i2. But again, if you do find the i1, from what I can find out, it's the exact same microphone. So yeah. What do you reckon? I think it sounds pretty decent. It's not too bad at all. Say it needs no power, so just plug it in and run and gun and away you go straight away. It's something I'm probably going to use when I do maybe like the live stream videos, which I'm going to be doing pretty shortly. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I forgot, you also get the little carry bag as well. Cool, right? Not too bad. Anyway, if you've got any questions about this or anything else, you know what to do by now. You can hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, smash, smash, smash. You know you want to. And subscribe. Why? It's free. Honestly. It doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching. And you'll hopefully see me. Well, you won't see me, but you'll see these puppies. And you'll hear this voice in my next one. Cheers, everyone.